Upon opening, you will find the aluminum plate, support columns, optical path, and water chiller. There are also some additional accessories that you can take a moment to check. Machine power cord, water chiller power cord, screws, installation kit, USB data cable, tools, USB flash drive, safety goggles, water tubing, and mounting plate. First, locate the included hex key and use it to install the metal handle. Tighten the 4 base feet, then flip the unit over and lay it flat. Install the posts in place and tighten the screws. Attach the optical path mounting plate and tighten the screws. Fix the optical path. The front to back position can be adjusted as needed. Once adjusted, tighten the remaining screws. Partial assembly is complete. Next, I'll assemble the water cooling unit. Insert the included hose into the machine. The hose is non-directional. It serves for both water intake and drainage, so simply insert it securely into any port. Plug in the water chiller and the equipment power supply. Insert the foot pedal. The interface located underneath is reserved for a rotating shaft. The rotating shaft is an optional accessory. Connect the USB cable. The equipment assembly process is complete. Now let's talk about adding water to the water chiller. The water chiller must be filled with distilled water. Do not use mineral water. 2.2 liters fill the water up to the green zone. For the initial fill, you may fill slightly above the mark. Individually supply power to the water chiller and the equipment. Power up the water chiller. Check if the water is circulating and if there are any leaks. The water chiller control panel requires no configuration. Add antifreeze in winter. If the tilt exceeds 22 degrees, trigger an emergency stop and press the power button. Observe the indicator light in the observation window. Once the green light remains steadily lit, the device is ready to enter operational mode. Next, I will demonstrate how to connect the device to a computer. First, locate the device's USB cable. Insert the included USB drive into the computer. Copy the driver software from the device to the computer. Right-click to enter the Computer Device Manager. Installation of the driver. Driver file installation location. Copy the location of the contents of the USB flash drive. Edit content freely. Click Continuous Processing, then click Red Light. Adjust the height of the column to align the two red light spots. Simply press the foot pedal to complete the operation.